Hey YouTube, so I'm back with another video today. I'm just going to be teaching you today, I'm going to teach you guys today how you can easily buy and sell cryptocurrency in Australia. It's really easy, really simple. There is some steps towards getting verified, but after you finish that, it's really simple, and there's a $20,000 limit, so you can buy up to 20,000, and that's at one time. So you can do that multiple times, but of course, most people won't be looking to spend $20,000. But my most trusted Australian exchange that is most popular, and I've used them since 2017. I can show you transactions, order histories. So if you can see, I've had some pretty decent transactions going on in here. So as you can see, total Australian dollars, you can see 1,000, 5,000, 11,000. As you can see, all the way back down to 2017, the 11th of 2017. That was my first transaction on this platform itself. Before this, I was using Coinbase, but Coinspot is a lot lower fees. Now, I will give you a heads up, there is a 1% fee when you buy and sell, and there's like a 0.50 fee for transferring coins. Now, I'm going to show you really quickly the step by step. So first up, you need to actually sign up to Coinbase. So just go to coinbase.com. So of course, just like type in coinbase.com. I'm sure you can do it. Oh my god, why does it keep coming up? So yeah, you just want to go to Google, type in coinbase.com. You'll get to this. You'll get to Google. Once you get to Google, you just type in Coinbase, Coinspot, and you'll just click on the link that you find. It should be coinspot.com.au. So it's an Australian site, and once you're there, you have to sign up. Let me just log out of my account real quick. So once you come here, you just have to register. Put in your details here. Once you're on the site, make sure you're on the site, .com.au. You should see a little security badge there too. So you just sign up. Once you're signed up, you'll get your account. You'll get into your account, and then once you get into your account, you will get told you have to verify your account. So you have to come, where is it, verification. So yeah, you'll come to here. So you want to use this tool here. You want to get verified. Once you get verified, they will ask you for ID, and then I'll ask you for and then I think they do also call. I'm not sure if they still do that, but it's really simple. I got a call within the next day, and I was verified, and I was good to go. There's legal reasons for them having to do this. As you can see, you can look down in terms of service and privacy and policies and stuff like that. There's legal reasons for them to have to do that. But once you have got verified, all you need to do is I'll just show you on the dashboard. So you want to go to dashboard. As you can see on the left, you'll see deposit funds. Now, once you have deposit funds, you have options to choose to buy with direct debit. That's actually pretty new. I'm not sure how that works, but the way I've done it in the past is pay ID, which is really simple. There's no fee. There's no deposit fee at all. You do get a 1% fee when you buy cryptocurrency, so you have to buy it. So you put the money into the exchange first. So if you haven't used Pay ID before, it's just something that a new banking system. Most banks will do it. Just Google search your bank and Pay ID, and you most likely will already have it. Now the other option is you can do cash deposit, but there is fees, I'm pretty sure. Yes, 2.5% deposit fee. You can see some deposit, some of my old deposits. Now Polypay I haven't used I've used Polypay once before, but you need a certain bank account. So if you don't have any of these bank accounts, you can't do it this way. You have to use at least one of these banks. Maybe most people might already own one of these banks. I mean, some of the biggest banks are in here, so if you're in a big bank, you can easily deposit money. But if you haven't got that, this is the option for you. You can pay ID. It's really simple. Just go on Google and do a Google search, YouTube it, you'll figure it out. It's really simple. Once you deposit the funds, you can then go ahead and just go to your wallet You can either go to the wallet and just like press on one of these. If you already know it, you can just type it in here which one you want. As you can see, I've got Power Ledger and Cardano at the moment. But if you're looking, you can just go buy here and sell. It's really easy to sell too. Like, I'll go to one of mine real quick. So if I open up like Cardano, I'll show you how easy it is to sell. It even shows you in AED. So how much AED would you like of this coin? So let's say you just want 50 bucks of Cardano. It'll show you how much exactly you get, and that's exactly how much you will get. You do have to take in note that they will take a 1% fee, as I'm aware, or they will take it on your deposit. I'm pretty sure they only take it when you buy. So once you say how much you want, of course you have to deposit funds first. So make sure you have deposited the funds, like I said, and then you have no problem. You'll be able to buy this. So all you do is click buy, and then you confirm it. But of course I don't have any. I only have and there's a fee, 50 cents fee. So of course the fees are a little bit like, I don't know, some people don't like it. I understand. I do have another option that I'll give you guys. So that's how you pretty much do it. And if you want to sell, it's the same case. How much would you like to sell? So would you like, now you can just change it down here. How much would you like to sell it in Australia? Let's say you wanted to sell $50 worth. So it'll come up with the exact amount that you deposited before. So it's really simple, and then when you click sell, that's simple as that. Now the most you can sell, the most I can sell on my account is $20,000 worth at a time. So let's say you want to sell $20,000 worth. That's the fee that you're looking at. So Coinbase fee if you want to sell $20,000 worth of ADA. So I hope you guys understand how it all works. And if there's any questions below, please leave them below. And if you want to know any more information about Coinbase, feel free to like leave a comment. I will reply straight away within an hour of uploading this video. Now I hope you understand how easy it is to deposit and withdraw. So it's really, and when you do withdraw on Coinbase, they do have like a 1 day or 2 day where they have to just double check things. It's just nothing. I've had no problem at all. I've withdrawn multiple times. I've deposited multiple times. No issues. I've transferred around coins. I've had a decent amount of portfolio of money in here, and I've never had any issues at all. I do strongly recommend to have two-factor added. I don't know why I don't have it, but I will add it. But yeah, I hope you guys understand how it all works, and I'll also give you another option that I use to at the moment. I try to diversify my money as well. I also use crypto.com. It's an easy platform to use. It's verified within minutes, and it's like you can pay with credit card, debit card, and it's like a simple deposit. I would recommend download the Apple or Android app, and you'll simply just sign up just like I showed you on here, and it's the same process on there as it is here. Really simple, best for beginners. I can recommend them both. But yeah, the one thing that I find with crypto.com is you have to pay with USD. So you're paying with USD, but there is but that's no issue really. It's just, you just have to calculate it. But it is annoying. Some people don't like that. But if you're looking to see it in Australian dollars, this is a platform I'll recommend. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you guys out. Like I said before, if you want to sign up to Coinspot or crypto.com, use my links below. You get like $50 bonus for crypto.com, and I think you get like $10 for Coinspot. So I will leave the links below. They are my referral links. I do appreciate the support. Thank you. If you do use it, let me know, and yeah, I'll keep you updated with how everything goes. I will be creating videos just to update you guys on my portfolio. I'm slowly building it up over time. I put in a certain percent of my paycheck per week. But yeah, that's another video. I'll leave for you guys for now. Just if you want to use my links, they're below, and you'll get some bonus like $10, $50, something like that. And I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.